Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today we will do another old versus new drawing challenge. Over 10,000 people voted for the next drawing, and this drawing of Goku mastered Ultra Instinct won. I really like this drawing, it looks amazing and really well done. I love the dark shading, which makes the muscles really pop out, and overall the vibe and aura of Goku looks amazing. It has no flaws or mistakes, maybe the hair is a bit too small, but that's all. And today I will try to redraw this, but even better, so let's see. I will also announce the winner of the Ohuhu markers giveaway in the end of the video, so stick with me to the end, watch the whole video, subscribe, and now we can check out the drawing evolution. Let's go. Alright guys, let's touch and then we are done with Goku Mastered Ultra Instinct. So, what can I say about this? I think it looks great. As you can see, I kept it very close to the first drawing. I was just trying to make it even better. I love the colors of this, the proportions are on point, the muscles look great, I love the face expression, and the hair has the perfect size this time. I also gave him an aura, which didn't turn out that great to be honest, but overall I think it's a great drawing and you can decide if the new drawing is an upgrade to the old one. I really like both, so let me know what you think. And now to the giveaway. So now I'm packing all the markers so you can see what's in the package. I really have no idea how many markers this is, but anyways, I choose 3 people randomly from the comment section and these are the winners. Congratulations, but why 3? So as I said in the video, the winner has to pay for the shipping, so I will give away the package to the person who is able to pay for the shipping. So please contact me on Instagram or send me an email so we can talk about the next steps. Alright guys, so let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will of course upload this in full time on my real time channel so you can follow my steps very easy in case you want to draw this yourself. The one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy and now you can also download the digital version of my drawings, so check out the shop. For commissions, message me on Instagram, and if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in the video. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next